Hello everybody and welcome back. I'll be showing you how you can send stars on a Facebook live stream so that you can send appreciation towards the live streamer of the live stream. So tap on the star icon on the bottom left if you want to send 19,000 rupiah. So depending on your currency actually. So it's equivalent to like 1.9 Australian dollars, for example. So when you want to send stars, tap on send, and then when you're done, hit purchase, enter your password, and then when you're done, you'll see a notification, and the creator will be able to receive the stars. That's how you can send stars on Facebook Live, so that you can give some appreciation to the live streamer, which is the creator. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.